Let's make pancakes. So to make buttermilk for the pancakes, you need 3/4 cup of milk, full fat, and you need about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. We're going to set this aside for about 5 minutes to let it turn into a buttermilk. So we have 1 cup of flour, which is 125 grams, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, that says baking soda, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar. So I'm going to melt about 2 tablespoons of butter. Sometimes I add 2 to 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and sometimes I add no fat at all. Don't whisk to smooth. You still want to remain with some clumps. So you want to cook it for about 4 minutes on one side. Once you flip, cook for about 2 or 3 minutes more. Once they're brown, they're ready.